Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is a business should first and foremost take care of its employees. Ladies and gentlemen, any kind of business is run by some people. So people should always be priority for you. If you are running a business, you are not running it independently. You are the owner of the business and all your employees are doing their best to ensure the success of your business. Now your business is having different domains. A business has got finance, HR, marketing, retail, so many other branches. And who are the people who are running these branches? Your employees. Who are the people who are consistently working in the direction of upliftment of your organization? Only your employees. The people who work inside the organization, 100% they are responsible for success of that organization. That's why always give priority to your employees. If employees of an organization are not satisfied, it leads to downfall of the organization only. Why it leads to downfall of the organization? Because if the employees are not satisfied, they will have a feeling in their mind that yes, somewhere they are lacking. They are not looking after their own personal growth while working in this organization. There are two types of goals which any employee has in his mind. Number one, the growth of his organization, and number two, his own personal growth within that organization. Employees think about upliftment of their organization. Along with that, they also think about their own personal upliftment within the profile in which they are working inside the organization. Every individual has got a particular kind of profile. The graduates and postgraduates in finance field, they join finance department of an organization. The graduates and postgraduates in HR domain, they join HR department of the organization. And same is the case with engineers, retail people, hiring managers. There are so many other profiles, vendors, distributors, third-party partners. So what these people do, depending upon their qualification, depending upon their individual qualification, they join an organization in that particular domain in which they are having expertise, and then they try their best to uplift the organization in their own specific way. They utilize their knowledge, their intelligence, whatever they have learned in their schools and colleges and post-graduation. And after implementing all those things, whatever they have studied in their schools and colleges, they try to do something creative and innovative for the organization. Their organization is everything for them. Why their organization is everything for them? Because it is the prime source of income for them. The organization where a person is working, it is the prime source of money for that person. And because of that money, which a person is gaining out of an organization, he is able to look after his family properly. Every individual has got certain independent responsibilities also, ladies and gentlemen. We have to look after our families. We have to look after our children. The personal and professional growth of our children is also very important. And how it happens? It happens because of the money that we get from an organization where we are working. That's why every employee of an organization is somewhere emotionally connected to his or her organization. There is always some emotional connect between employee and an organization. The major respect which an employee gives to its organization is because the organization is paying that employee some money, because of which he or she is able to take care of his or her house. So the respect for that particular organization automatically comes. The feeling of respect for that organization automatically gets developed in the mind of employee. I respect my organization. Why? Because it is only because of this organization that I am able to live successfully. It is all because of this organization that I am able to take care of my children properly. It is all because of this organization that all my household needs are getting fulfilled systematically. And this is the reason why employees love their organization. So if employees are loving their organization, if employees are working full-heartedly for the organization should also think that my employees are my assets. Whatever machinery I am having inside the organization, that is also an asset. Whatever papers and other non-living objects that I am having in my organization, which look beautiful, which look creative, they are also the part of my organization. But the most crucial part are the people of the organization who are maintaining these non-living devices. Because it is all because of intelligence and knowledge of people that dead hardware is working perfectly in order. It's all because of intelligence of living beings that dead hardware inside the organization is working systematically, is operating systematically. That's why every organization should first and foremost keep their employees in their mind. They must keep the benefits of employees in their mind. If employees are having any problem with some kind of plans and policies of the organization, immediate meeting must be called out and all the problems of the employees must be known. That actually what employee thinks about something new which organization is about to do, about the new machinery which the organization has installed, about the new merger and acquisition in which the organization has put itself. Whether my employees are happy with my decision or not, that should be known. Otherwise, if the employees are not happy, they are not going to work wholeheartedly inside the organization. There are two methods by which people work inside the company. Number one, they work wholeheartedly, and if they work wholeheartedly, they take initiative themselves in doing some kind of task. And second thing, something they are doing forcefully. The organization has got certain kind of policy. Yes, this is the machinery I have installed. You have to compulsively work on this. This is the new project that I am undertaking. You have to compulsively work on this, whether you like it or not, but you will have to work because you are the employee of the organization and I am the boss of the organization. So if such type of things are happening inside the company, that company can never grow, ladies and gentlemen, because such type of autocratic people, they never think about their employees. They only think about their own personal growth, the growth of their organization at the cost of well-being of their employees. So if you think about the growth of your organization at the cost of well-being of your employees, your organization will never grow. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the basic fact of life. If you do something according to your choice, you do it perfectly, you do it flawlessly. If you do something without your choice, you do it compulsively, and definitely you are going to do it in a bad way. Definitely you will do it in a bad way because internally in your heart you don't want to do it. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, always take care of your employees. Always try to consider the point of view of your employees, that whether your employees are willing to follow a particular policy that you are implementing or not. Always take your employees in your confidence, and if your employees are happy, definitely they will work more than 100% for the success and growth of your organization. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.